Bollywood is receiving a lot of backlash from people for the darker side of the industry. Recently, the former CEO and editor-in-chief of the Indian Express, veteran journalist Shekhar Gupta has revealed some shocking secrets. Well, the veteran journalist has revealed that all the award shows of the Bollywood industry get vandalized by stars. And the veteran journalist has also given some examples of this, and one of the examples was Katrina Kaif. The gorgeous Bollywood actress, who is in the industry for many years now, once tried to pressurize an award show to give her an award. Well, Shekhar Gupta was the CEO of the Indian Express Group, which organizes the annual Screen Awards. As per the statement of journalist Shekhar Gupta, this Bollywood beauty was in tears and threw tantrums before her performance. Let us find out in this video what actually happened back then and why did Katrina throw tantrum. Well, Katrina Kaif is a very good dancer in the Bollywood industry, which is why in most award shows she gets a chance to perform. Katrina also charges huge money for her performance of just 5 minutes. Shekhar Gupta revealed that during the Star Screen Award of 2012, Katrina Kaif was roped in for a dance performance. Well, the prominent journalist revealed that he had to go to Katrina Kaif's vanity van back then and plead her to perform. Katrina Kaif, who was supposed to perform at the award show, was given full advance payment by the makers of the show. But Katrina decided to throw tantrums just minutes before her performance at the show, and she denied to leave her vanity van. The actress wanted an award and was upset as she was not getting one in that show, so she chose that way to get an award. Katrina told that she gets invited to every award show for performance only, and makers do not give her award anytime. Katrina chose to pressurize the makers of Screen Awards to give her one by holding her performance. Then, CEO of Indian Express Shekhar Gupta went to Katrina's vanity van and pleaded her to perform at the award show, but she denied. Katrina denied performing at the show if she was not getting an award, and that is when the makers decided to make another category. To avoid tantrums, the makers of the show made a category of Popular Choice Award and gave the actress an award under that category. Do you think Katrina deserved that award? Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.